22 people, including 25 members of the military mobilized to help put out raging blaze, were killed in forest fires in Algeria on Tuesday, August 10th. Dozens of separate fires have raged through forest areas across northern Algeria since Monday night, and the country's Interior Minister Kamel Beldjoud accused arsonists of igniting the flames without providing more details on the allegations. Residents of the Tizi Ouz region in Kablis used tree branches to try to smooth the burning patches of forest or hauled water from plastic containers in a desperate effort to douse the fire. Soldiers were killed in different areas, some while trying to extinguish the flames, and others after they had cut off from the spreading fire, Kabul residents said. The Defense Ministry said more soldiers have been badly injured with burns. Several houses were burnt as families were escaping to hotels, youth hostels, and university residents, witnesses said, adding that a dense smoke hampered the visibility of fire crews. Only criminal hands can be behind the simultaneous outbreak of about 50 fires across several localities, he said. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button.